put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me Bankole. Cause I walk around with the bank on him. Show them Gangnam Style, put the gang on him. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he comatose. No go fambo. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor. Bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I land. Lily, oh, 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 lily, oh, 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 when will tomorrow come? Why do I still miss you? Why can't I move on? Thought I left you smiling. My past is holding on. Oh, yeah. They said keep on praying, things will change. So I kept on waiting. It's the same. When will tomorrow come? When will I see the sun? Will it stop hurting so much? When will tomorrow come?
There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way. Out of all the storms raging at the sea, He gave me back my life. I owe Him everything. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always. He carried me to shore, held me through the pain. He loved me at my worst. I thank Him every day. I will put Him first, 'cause He did that for me. He sacrificed Himself so I could find my peace. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always I rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Always. Put joy to His name every single day, 'cause He never left our sight. He showed us the way. Rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. Forever and always. Rejoice, rejoice, rejoice in the name of the Lord. There can't be no light if darkness don't exist. He never left my side. He showed me the way.
Hi guys, hi guys, hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to a new vlog. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are great. I hope you guys are fabulous. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Please share with family and friends. It's the start of a new vlog. Yeah, I'm just getting ready. Finished bathing, busy cooking while I'm getting ready. So go busy, go rap, go. It's a lot. So yeah, I just decided let me open up the vlog because I haven't done so. Yeah guys, to my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the family. I truly appreciate you. Yeah, like I said, please don't forget to share. Please don't forget to share. Yeah, it's a Sunday, we're going to church. I'm just busy preparing. I think we'll chat a bit later on. Hey guys, back from church. Super tired. Something's burning my eyes. My eyes feel natayasha, like I'm ayabab. But anyway, yeah, I'm just here to officially close off the vlog. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you're watching till the end, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to share my videos with family and friends. I hope you enjoyed the vlog and I'm hoping to see you on the next one. See you on the next one guys.